Hello viewers, welcome to Rita's kitchen. How are you all doing? Good. We are about to prepare vegetable yam with green, onions, palm oil, iodized salt, pepper, maggi, calabash, nutmeg. I have all these ingredients. I have a tuber of yam, green, 1 ball of onion, crushed pepper, calabash onions, no maggi. That's a no maggi, yeah. Iodized salt. I prefer using iodized salt. Palm oil and green, or some people call it spinach. That's Nigerian green. I got the green from my garden. I've peeled the yam, washed, and the yam is now boiling. I will boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the yam is soft and tender, I will drain the water. So now the onion and the palm oil, I've sauteed the onion with the palm oil for like 5 minutes. Then I add the green to the palm oil and onion. All the greens are washed and cut. Oh, this green is very palatable. It's juicy. I just got them from my garden. Anytime I want to cook, I have to go to my garden and get organic. Yeah. So I'm now stirring and turning the vegetable in the pot. I would like it to cook, or I would like to saute it like 5 to 8 minutes. I don't like my green very mushy, you know. Yeah, I'm turning the green. I will turn it for some minutes. Once the green is well cooked, you know, because this green gives a lot of blood. My kids like eating the green. I'm still turning it. Okay, now I've added the yam and I'm now turning it together. We are now getting to the final phase. So it looks palatable, delicious, succulent. So I'm now mixing everything together now so that they will all stick together. Everything, the food is almost done. It's almost done. Yeah. So the food has now gone to the plate. That's the end result of our morning activities today. You can see the food is so delicious. Come and join me. Yeah, the food is very tasty. And that is how we'll call it. That is how we'll come to the end of today's show. I hope you enjoy. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless you all.